Students collaboratively participate in a hands-on learning experience. Thanks to this generous gift of learning provided by whole-body donors within our communities, our kinesiology students have this rare and invaluable experience to work with human cadavers. This is one of the only institutions in Canada that offers this at the non-medical undergraduate level. The first-year Human Anatomy and Physiology course is mandatory, so students first encounter the musculoskeletal and nervous systems before progressing into the cardiopulmonary, gastrointestinal, urinary, and reproductive systems.
My favorite part of the anatomy lab is definitely the hands-on learning. Looking at the different cadavers, looking at the different models, it really helped me learn everything from bones, muscles, nerves, connective tissues, just all around. It was a great learning experience.
Our fourth-year students have the opportunity to independently complete specialized dissection projects that align with their interests and the needs of the program. Learning gross human anatomy with human cadavers provides an unparalleled educational experience, distinguishing our program from others. Not only does this experience enhance students' understanding and appreciation for the structure and organization of the human body, but it also enhances their appreciation for anatomical variation and the individual.